You can make the webcam record itself. What's going on, YouTube? This is What Would Josh Do, and this is an exciting video. Why? Because Anker released a new webcam. This has been out for a little bit now, a couple months, but it's still relatively new. And it is the C300. It is a 1080p 60 FPS webcam, and it's a smart webcam as well. Why is it smart? Have no freaking clue. But there you go. It's got two microphones. It's got 115 field of view, 1080p 60 FPS, HDR, face tracking keeps you in frame, multiple meeting modes, smart auto framing, and instant autofocus powered by AI. So why is this so exciting? This is a webcam. Why is this so exciting? Well, back in like 2009 or 10, it's about 11 years ago. I didn't even realize it had a model number. I got this old ancient thing, and this is what I've been using ever since then. When COVID first hit and they sent us all home, I had to find a webcam, and this was what I found that I had used for a while, since like 2009 or 10. Model number 4310500. I've used this all during COVID and worked from home for over a year, and yeah, this is like new, old. So that's exciting to me. We're going to hook it up to our computer and provide a sample quality of what it looks like when you see this footage. And just for comparison, how about a, decade-old camera in that video as well? Just show what that one looks like. So let's get this thing unboxed. All right. Now let's figure out what else we have to do. Oh, okay. So not too much. We've got an instruction booklet. Wow, that's a thick boy for just a webcam. Holy. Got some important notices or something here. What do you think of our work? I think it's freaking awesome. You guys are great. Download the software, software.anker.com. So we're going to go ahead and get that software downloaded. So it's Type-C to Type-C. That's pretty awesome. And if you're like me and your motherboard doesn't have Type-C, they include this neat little USB-A to Type-C. So that's freaking awesome. We've got something in here. So, oh, you know what I bet? I bet that's like a privacy cover thing. Does it slide? Oh, it slides. Ooh, it does. That's cool. That's freaking cool. So even if somebody were to hack into your webcam, you can literally have something that physically, like, blocks the view. That's freaking cool. I don't know why there's two. Okay, so Josh that doesn't read instructions until he absolutely has to. I guess that'll work. Maybe, we'll see. It's double-sided tape, and you get two of them, so if I mess this one up. I liked it on this side because this side, it doesn't cover the Anker logo. But that's about it in the packaging. All right, so we're going to plug in our Type-C to this little adapter thing here. Plug this into the back of the camera. And then we're going to plug this into our computer's USB port. If your computer has a Type-C port, you can bypass this little adapter. My wife's X570 platform motherboard has built-in Type-C. My Z390, it does not. All right, so let's connect this thing to our computer and see how good the quality is. And then we'll go ahead and just for giggles, let's see how it compares to something that's a decade old. Okay, YouTube, this is the Anker C300 microphone that you are hearing right now from my monitor. That's about a foot away from me. It does not have speakers, so you do need to plug in like a headphones or something. It does not have a built-in speaker. Here's the software that it installed, Anker Work. You do have to create an account. I already had one, but when you connect it, boom, there you go. And you're going to get to see my ugly mug. Oh, since I am recording... Oh, it just used a lot of my computer. Okay. I'm recording my desktop. So now it's enabling the thing. So this room is very small. And I have like my recording stuff over there. And these boxes recently got put in here. Yeah, I don't have much room. So it is kind of a small room. Anyways, I already said that. This is what you get, and it looks great. except for this, you know, if you could just ignore this part of the video. So we go to device. You've got 30 frames per second. This whole video is being recorded in just 30, so I'm going to keep it at 30, but you can switch it to 60. One really cool thing is this field of view was set to 90 by default, and as you can see, it like less stuff is in the frame, and if you do 78, then it's even a little less. This is horrible. That's a little bit better. So you do like auto tracking frame. I don't know what that is. Okay, it gets closer to me. I don't know. But then you like have to choose your frames again. Mine had an update. So here it said I was on like 1.4 something, and now I'm on 1.52. So I was able to update that using the built-in thing there. You can do stuff with the image, like make the brightness go up, sharpness, saturation, contrast ratio. You can even flip it. And now it's like, whoa, I'm trying to stare at you. That's a little bit more natural. But a lot really cool stuff you can do in here, though. You can make it 720p, you can make it 360p if you need to lower the quality, and then 1080p 60. You can do that, but like everything that you're going to be viewing is going to be in 30, so whatever. This is freaking cool. This is awesome. But yeah, this was just a desktop capture. I want to get a actual test sample now. But everything you're hearing is from the microphone built into this thing, so you'll have to let me know whether that's good or bad. So let me go ahead and stop recording my desktop and just record a video directly from the camera instead of my desktop. Interrupting, brief moment. I opened up the camera software on Windows 10 just so I could record a video. And dude, check this out. 2.1 megapixels. You can do 1080p, widescreen, 60 FPS, or 30 FPS. And there's just some cool stuff in here, like Pro Mode, whatever that enables, I don't know. But yeah, there's also this too, built into Windows. All right, since the video, my camera is 4K 30, and this video is 1080p 30, I'm gonna keep everything 30. But this is 1080p 30, upscaled to 4K to match the camera video settings for my main camera. But yeah, so what you're seeing and hearing is from the Anker C300. This window situation is because my dog, see him? He loves to look out the window. So I have a blanket or a pillow right there for him and some blankets, and he just stares out the window all day, barking at other dogs. So that's why the window's all like that. But yeah, this is the Anker C300. You'll have to let me know in the comments below what you think of the video and the quality of the video quality and audio quality. Now I'm going to switch over to the decade-old one and see what that one does using the same software that I just showed you in Windows. All right, this is that Digital Innovations 10-year-old camera. As you can see, I don't have the wide field of view. I get like a more narrow condensed, which is kind of good for me in my like small room with stuff everywhere. Because you get to see less of stuff. You can tilt it, but not nearly the options the other one has. It's got like left, right, up, down, this way, that way. It's the Anker one's just, yeah, there's no comparison. But what you're seeing and what you're hearing is from a decade-old camera that I have been using because I have Smiley option until now. I can't like cover the camera either with like the other one, and I have it in the same spot on top of the monitor like the other one. So yeah, what you see is what you get. All right, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. If you didn't, go ahead and click that thumbs down button, but I also want to know why you gave it a thumbs down or a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please consider following me on Twitter and Instagram. Those are the two places I'm active the most. This is What Would Josh Do, and I am out. Oh, and before we actually end, this is like the different little... Whoa, lots of adjustments you can do there. That moves out, this moves out. Dang, this swivels all the way around. Wow. And even this little thing right here moves. Dude, look at the like articulation and angles, and you can you can make the webcam record itself. Oh, I'm out. Bye.